Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the flower-shaped mask that creates the bouquet. Use black cardstock so light only passes through the cut shape. This improves contrast. Draw a simple flower about 1.5 to 2.5 centimeters wide with a small center hole of 3 to 5 millimeters. Once done, carefully cut the interior with a precision knife and trim the outer circle to match your lens diameter. Make sure the mask seats snugly on the lens, yet can be removed easily, because mask fit affects bouquet shape. Next, mount the mask centrally on your lens and secure it with tape or a rubber band. Make sure there are no gaps that let stray light in because leaks blur the shape. Set your camera to a wide aperture, between f/1.8 and f/4, and pick a focal length around 35 to 85 millimeters to emphasize out-of-focus highlights. Place your subject fairly close to the lens while arranging point light sources or reflective highlights 2 to 8 meters behind the subject. Now shoot. Focus on your subject and take test frames to confirm the background highlights become flower shapes. If shapes look too small, move the lights further back or open the aperture. If they're fuzzy, reduce the mask-to-lens gap or use thicker cardstock for cleaner edges. Make sure exposure is balanced. Use spot or manual metering to avoid blowing highlights. If things still go wrong, recenter and tighten the mask. Small misalignments cause distorted petals, so correct that and retry a few frames.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.